Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change chat theme on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store, and here you need to search for the Instagram, and you need to update your Instagram application. As you can see, my Instagram is up to date. Then you simply need to click on open. So once you open Instagram, then you simply need to click on the messenger icon in the top right, and you need to open any conversation. Okay, and then you need to click on the person name, and here you can see the option of theme. Click on that, and here you can see different themes. So I'm going to select for the music, and let me show you. Now you can see that my Instagram theme is changed. So this is the process by which you can change chat theme on Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.